We all know the beautiful friendship between people and dogs or cats. What about other animals? Can they be our good friends? The answer is in today's video. Let's check it out together. Chatting a little bit when meeting your bestie who hasn't been seen for a long time. You have the skill of spitting, but meet a master of dodging and joking. Four-legged dancer and his intense passion for harmonica.
He wants to get up on your arm, baby.
It seems the parrot also likes the girl because she is too cute. Friendship between animals and children always begins so simple and innocent. Hello, new friend. Why is your skin so different? Anyway, nice to meet you.
Give me my phone.
When your kid is smart enough to understand that too much smartphone usage is not good.
I have two rules. Rule number 1, always have fun. Rule number 2, listen to rule number 1.
Looking at the satisfied face of this giant cotton ball can make you melt. With romantic ostrich friends, you only need to dance to make friends with them. Daddy had a hard day at work, and it's time for the little friend to do something for him. Don't worry, the quality of the work supervised strictly by the manage. The sweet kiss from a friend of the ocean. An alarm clock has never been wrong or broken. And here's how to turn it off.
Get your beak out of...
You always wanted her to have a beautiful smile, and the free teeth cleaning service was born. When I said I was the boss of a gang. Best friends are great companions until they both grow old. The thumb-sucking habit that every child has, even a newborn leopard.
Ach, je.
Here, sy gee my sommer trane. Sy is so bly om jou te sien, dis nie eers Pokemon nie.
Who says wild animals can't have feelings? See how many kisses and joys are here?
Soek ook liefde, hoor.
The faces of friends when we talk about some hot news.
Good kiss. Oh, so cute. So cute. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute.
Everyone should have a friend to share their feelings with every day.
Ну, потому что кормушка непонятно. Ага. Непонятно, совсем непонятно.
When you can't believe you have a handsome boyfriend. Is he a real man? The favorite seat of a tiny friend. Sometimes it's hard to give her a kiss.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
What a chill afternoon with a special friend. Oh yeah. The cutest baseball game ever. Everyone has to melt before this sweet candy. When mom tells you to stay at home to watch out for your brother. Does anyone sleep with such a bad face? A tight hug and a warm look, and that is love. Everyone becomes small when they are in the arms of the one they love. That's what we have today. Our friends, whether human or animal, are precious, aren't they? See you in the next interesting videos.